Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and today what we have here is a sad sack, a sad love sack. You know, it's a little undeflated. You know, there's another video where we put this thing together and we've been fluffing it and tossed it and fluffing it and tossed it and well, it's just a little sad sack. Too bad there's something we can do about that. Wait, what's this over here? Well, it looks like it's a box of Durafoam. From Love Sac. So, what's in this box of Durafoam? Special Durafoam, of course. And, what do you do with this thing? Well, let's see here. There's approximately 10 pounds of Durafoam in this thing. And they say that you need to open up the magical portal to the inner sac and, well, get this goodness inside. Alright, well, let's see what this is all about here. Take a little look-sees. Oh, got some nice tape here. You can feel the compression on this thing is pretty springy already. Alright, defeated the tape. Give it some opening thoughts here. Ooh, foamy. Oh, look at that. A little bit of magic in here. Now then, while that's open, it's probably time to go to the sack. So, on your sack, find the big zipper that holds the outer cover on, and unzip it. Zip. There, now we got the inner sack. This one here, I'm not too sure if the rest of them are marked this way, but look at that. The big one, well, not too big. Needs some more fluff. So, if memory serves me right, they have a special zipper. It starts underneath there. Yes. And not only does it start underneath there, it starts right here. And to get said zipper open, you need a special magical tool. So I'll be back and find the tool. Alright, zipper 1's open. Now, zipper 2's not as hard. It hides underneath zipper 1, has the little thing on it, but be careful. Once you open this zipper, it'll lead to the inner sanctum of the love sac. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Getting some foam on this thing. You don't want to get your foam stuck in your sack zipper, that's for sure. So I'll just kind of rub it out there. There. Inner sanctum. Don't breathe too deeply. And be careful that the magic does not escape. What's that? A secret message it says? Oh. Put that there and take this out. There. They'll be just as fine without these parts. Now then, we go back to this over here. This here we carefully retrieve from the box. What we don't want to do is have it all escape in this room and fill the room. So, very carefully, I will attempt to extract this from the box. Well, it occurs. It is free. Now then, what do we have here? We have a knotted area. Could this be? Could this be the part I need to open? Yes, it feels loose. It feels like it's coming undone. And careful. Don't breathe in the fibers. Now then, there's definitely an opening. So, try to take opening of said sac here and put in opening of this sac right here and add them together. Like so. Now then, all we gotta do is empty this sac into that sac. And hurry, because it's already expanding, it's growing. Why do I have a feeling it's coming out the bottom? Oh, because it is! Oh, it feels like a floating cloud I'm touching. Alright, several hours later. So what I've done here was I just merely took the open end of this bag and started stuffing it into the other sack and stuffing it and stuffing it, and then I'll slowly kind of knock down the stuff in the plastic bag and slide the plastic bag out, and it should be magic. And this, oh, don't worry about that. No reason to call the hazmat team. This here will just be carefully lifted back up and put back in the sack. Supposedly. And I believe that says something about not being a toy, don't play with the bag. Alright. Give it a little shake here. Make sure it's just getting down there. Gather up their spots. Because we don't need any more of this outside the sack, that's for sure. Oh. Trying to escape again. Oh, how many sides does this bag have? Alright, get this thing out of there. Alright, I'm gonna get some other stuff out of here. Lift up the Love Sac. And, oh, is it coming? Oh, get in there. There, nothing to it. Gigantic bag. All right, now. This right here, this crumpled up piece of magic you can throw in the neighbor's yard when you're done. Alright, now then, right there, we'll go in here, piece by piece. And instead of trying to make this video any longer, I'll put a pause here for now. Alright, it took a little time, but as you can see now, the spill's been detained, all back in the sack. And we have re-zipped up the securing zippers. As you can see here, or not see, it's been tucked underneath this part of cloth here. So, there, now you can see, right? The zipper's tucked in there. One zipped that way, and the other one came back and zipped this way. Hopefully, never to be open again. Now then, now comes the time where we try to stuff it back in the cover, which is over there. So I'll spread it out on the floor again, kind of like how it was before. And let's see here. Make sure the inside's out and the outside's in. Alright, and we'll just throw it over. There. Now I'll start the zipper, find it, and so in the end, finishes. If you happen to have the big one, or know somebody that does, and it's a little sad, maybe they need a box of a 10-pound Durafoam kicker to help fluff things up. Now you can see the big one is actually back to being its old self as the big one. So, this is the Odd Job Doer, and sharing a little tender moment here with a little kicker with the Love Sac. And, you know, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And, yeah, time to try this thing out. See ya.